have arrived in Bali only 3 days ago, and we have spent our time so far in Swasti. Swasti is a beautiful place. We fell in love with this place as soon as we stepped in the village, and it's something that you don't expect from the main road. You wouldn't expect to find such a secluded and beautiful and peaceful place like this. We have chosen Swasti because this place is totally eco-friendly, sustainable. All the cottages have been built using recycled wood. So it's our concept of tourism. You know, we really like to promote eco-friendly and sustainable travel, to encourage you to choose this kind of traveling for the future. At Swasti, we had the chance to meet really beautiful people. Everything here is organic. They have a huge organic garden. It takes about 25% of their land, so they give a lot of importance to sustainability, organic, eco-friendly. In every room you find instructions about how to recycle your rubbish. The restaurant offers so many vegan options. Everything is really healthy. It's of course organic, and every day there is a different breakfast buffet. So we have enjoyed that a lot. We have tried all the different things that they have in their new menu, and the staff is super friendly. So you feel basically at home, away from home. And this place is definitely a place where I will come back in the future, because the peace that you can feel here, the vibes that you can feel here, is something that I haven't found anywhere else so far when traveling. So our plan for today will be to visit a little bit of the surroundings in Ubud, so that we can show you what is really worth to visit around here. So follow us in this adventure. We're going to show you some eco-friendly activities. Being vegan in Ubud is not difficult at all. We spent a few days there and we had the chance to try really good restaurants. The first one that we would like to recommend is the Beloved Cafe inside Swasti Eco Village. Over there we've tried so many different things. As you know, we've been there as an accommodation, so we had the chance to have breakfast there every morning, but also you can go there even if you don't stay in that place. You can go there for lunch or dinner. They cook amazing food and everything is organic, coming from their gardens, so you can be sure that everything will be healthy for you. If you're looking for a budget meal, there are two all-you-can-eat vegan just around the corner from Swasti. We were going there either by scooter, but also you can walk there. One is Veggie Karma, and exactly next to it there is another all-you-can-eat named Sawo Bali. Both of them are super cheap, with like $5 or $6. You can have everything you like. Everything is plant-based, so perfect for vegans. But the best one ever we've been to is Zest, and there is someone who can talk about it much better than me. And I will see you in our next stop, which will be Sarimbuana Eco Lounge, a little bit in the middle of nothing in Bali. So stay tuned for our next episode, and I'll see you there. Bye.
A few years before we started Zest, I lived in a silent retreat center in the countryside in Bali, and I started developing a way of cooking there that's really focused on how it affects the planet. The food forest of Indonesia, the garden, has been the inspiration for the menu. So to write a menu, I start with the ingredients and imagine what it looks like in the kitchen and work away from there, if that makes sense. My dream is actually, in the greater scheme, to connect all of the natural food forests of Bali, where I live. So believe it or not, Balinese people have been growing food in forests for a long, long time, such as taro root and cassava, jackfruit, durian, cacao, etc., etc. My dream is to connect those natural, organic, wholesome places to our restaurant and create a complete supply chain. But imagine in nature, if there's one jackfruit tree and it can produce 1,000 fruits every 10 years, and all of those 1,000 fruits have 1,000 seeds inside, that each and every one of them can turn into 1,000 trees. Then one jackfruit seed has the potential for an unlimited food supply for the whole world. Now that excites me. These are the regenerative, exponential qualities of nature that we can mimic. Nature has been around for billions of years, and she's always figured it out. No one's going to save the world, but humans have now a chance to save themselves and their survival and thriving on this planet. And the way we eat is related to that. And I'm so excited to explore that through Zest. Not to say that we have all the answers, but what we're hoping to show here is that plants can be delicious.